This is muscle mechanics. We don't guess. We don't repeat gym folklore. We break down the actual science behind how your body gets strong, so you stop wasting time on what doesn't work. You can have bigger muscles than the guy next to you and still be weaker. Not sometimes. Not in rare cases. This happens constantly. Bodybuilders with 19-inch arms get outlifted by 140-pound gymnasts. Powerlifters half the size of strongman competitors move more weight than guys twice their body weight. If muscle size decided strength, none of that should be possible. So here's the question nobody answers honestly. What actually makes you strong? Because it's not what's staring back at you in the mirror. You've been told the story 1,000 times. Lift weights, muscles grow, you get stronger. Bigger muscle equals bigger numbers on the bar. It sounds obvious. It's also incomplete. Here's the proof this myth falls apart. Train someone on a heavy squat for 8 weeks, their strength can jump 30, 40, even 50%. Their muscle size in that same window? Maybe 3 to 5%. Strength went up 10 times faster than the muscle did. So if it's not the muscle getting bigger, what's actually happening? Here's the good news. There's a faster system running underneath it, one most people never train on purpose. Strength is mostly a skill. Your nervous system skill at telling your muscle what to do. Think of your muscle like a stadium full of workers and your brain like the foreman. Untrained lifters don't call in the whole stadium. Even at max effort, a beginner might only activate 60 to 70% of the available workforce. The rest sit on the bench, fully capable, never told to show up. Training heavy consistently teaches your nervous system 3 things. 1. Recruitment. Call in more of the workforce. 2. Rate coding. Get the workers firing faster. 3. Coordination. Stop the sabotage from muscles working against you. This is exactly why a 140-pound gymnast can outmuscle a much bigger lifter. Years of skill work trained his nervous system to recruit almost everything he has on demand. He's not fighting his own body. He's using nearly all of it. There's a second piece most people never hear about. Your tendons. A tendon acts like a spring, storing and releasing force. Stiffer, better trained tendons transfer force more efficiently, and this adapts independently of how big your muscles get. So how do you actually train the part that matters most? Let's get into it. 1. Train heavy in low reps. Sets of 1 to 5 at 85% or more of your max effort. Force your nervous system to recruit those extra motor units. High reps mostly train endurance and size. Low, heavy reps train the wiring. 2. Practice the skill, don't just grind it. Strength improves fastest with frequency, not just intensity. This is the actual secret behind calisthenics athletes. They touch their hardest skills constantly. 3. Rest between sets like you mean it. Neural adaptations need a fresh nervous system to reinforce. 2 to 4 minutes isn't laziness. It's letting the system reset so the next rep actually teaches your body something. 4. Progressive overload, but on effort, not just weight. A harder variation, a slower tempo, a longer lever all force new recruitment. If you're stuck at body weight, calisthenics has just as much room to grow as a barbell does. Here's where most people sabotage this without realizing it. Mistake 1. Chasing the pump instead of max effort. Feeling sore doesn't mean you got stronger, it means you damaged tissue. Different system, different signal. Mistake 2. Never testing a true max. If you never lift near your limit, your nervous system never learns it's allowed to recruit that much. Mistake 3. Skipping technique work. Sloppy form wastes force in directions that don't move the weight. Clean technique is free strength. Mistake 4. Training too infrequently. Once a week isn't enough repetition for your nervous system to lock anything in. Fix these 4 and you'll feel stronger within weeks, long before your muscles have visibly changed at all. So next time you see someone smaller than you moving more weight, you'll know exactly why. It was never really about the muscle. It's about the machine underneath it. Muscle mechanics is built around exactly this, the actual science behind how your body gets strong, not the version everyone repeats without checking it. If this changed how you think about training, subscribe. We're breaking down one of these every week. Train the machine, not just the mirror.